This is a video of my first motorcycle. It's probably 1964. This is a 1961 Motoparella that burned up and rusted out. My dad found it in the corner of a garage and got it for free, put it in the back of the big old Dodge. In October of the 1963, my mom said it would never run, so it was okay to get. And by the next spring, it was on the road. It's my grandmother on it. That was my dad riding it. I painted it, I rebuilt the motor, I rebuilt everything, rewired it. It was my first bike, and I loved it. It's my grandmother, my dad, my brother, back in 1964. This is in Broomall, Pennsylvania. Their home, my home, our dog Cindy. And we're tinkering with the bike. I'm not sure what was going on there. My granddad. Probably messing with the carburetor. Del Orto. Man, that thing caused endless problems. Happy dog.